How to fix Snapchat camera zoom error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Snapchat camera zoom error. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now search Snapchat. Here, if you find the update option, simply tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch open your settings, then tap on apps. Now scroll down and from this list of application, you want to look for Snapchat. Go ahead and select that. Now select the option of storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on force stop and tap on the OK option. Now launch open Snapchat and check if your error is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall the app. For that, go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. Once you have uninstalled it, again install it from Play Store or App Store. Then when you launch open the Snapchat app, this error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.